Hello, my friends. I just got back to the mailbox, and you guessed it, we got some lime life, but it doesn't feel like my steamer's in there. But when I was walking back to the mailbox, I could smell skunk, like close up to my door, and I don't think anyone was smoking pot, that kind of skunk. But anyways, I got nervous and didn't want it sticking on me, but I think I'm okay. I don't think I stink like a skunk. Anyways, let's open this up. I kind of can't remember all what I ordered. I know there was that sale going on, and so I took advantage of some of the sale items and ones that were going to be discontinued. But let's just see. Maybe the steamer did fit in here. Oh, yeah, there is a box inside the box. This possibly is it. What does it say? Beauty tech for the best skin yet. I bet it is. Okay, we'll take that out. We'll open that in a second. We know the drill. Paper goes on the floor. What? I thought I got more than that. I don't see a paper in there showing. I'll have to go back through my order. But let's have a peek. Okay. This is the Quench Cleanse. I wanted to try their aloe and sunflower face cleanser, normal to dry skin. My cleanser is getting down, so so far I've been loving their skincare. Like seriously, I am loving it because they do have some K-beauty too. And it just feels gorgeous. And their ingredients are super nice. And I want skincare that's actually gonna make a difference in my skin because mine is more mature and dry, dehydrated. There's a lot of nice stuff out there, but at this age, I want stuff that does something. Okay, so this one's got, it's got lots of goodies in there. Aloe and rose water and something radish root, fermented glycerin, coconut. It goes on. It panics ginseng, rosemary, lecithin. Yeah, beautiful ingredients. I know a lot of people double cleanse. I might get their oil cleanser one next. Midnight oil? Anyways, here it is. So as soon as I'm done with that other one, we'll be opening and trying this one, which I know I'm gonna love, because I just love their stuff. What did we get here, Tara? Oh, yeah. Okay, why did I just do that dance? Because this is the Daily Boost Hair Serum, and I will do a separate video on this, you guys. I have been waiting for this, and it's just for us beauty guides right now, but it will be for sale beginning of next month. And so I'm gonna be a little guinea pig and try this, but this again is full of beautiful ingredients. It's a spray, it's not an oil, you know what I mean? So it's not gonna leave your hair oily. It's a targeted spray you can get up on your scalp. It's gonna be for hair growth, for dry hair, for breakage hair, well, you name it. I will go into it. Let's just open the box. I'll show you the nozzle. It's pretty cool. All their stuff is beautiful and it works. Now that's a little damp there, so something might have leaked a teeny bit. Not sure what happened there, but it is a little bit wet. So see this spray nozzle? Oh yeah, we'll be trying this tonight, definitely. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, I got a brush, that's right. I got a brush. This one is called the Mini Concealer, because my other concealer brush is a little bit big, but I want this for targeted. I'm gonna get this out of here. Am I opening the wrong end? Yeah, I just wanted it for in the smaller areas to put. Here we go. There we go. I love all our brushes. Okay, see, just a nice targeted. Again, this is Lime Life. What? I bought a lipstick? Another lipstick? Oh, because they're discontinuing my favorite. This is my Coral 204 Lover's Coral. I think that's supposed to sound like Lover's Coral, right? But Lover's Coral, I just actually got that. And I'm hoping they're bringing another one in because this is like their only coral lip. And I love coral. And I love, this is a sheer, I'll show you. The there it is there. And their lip stuff is so creamy and smooth and hydrating. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is my little treat because I'm slowly making myself a spa at home, okay? And I've got the Duolab, I've got the eye mask pads, plus I'm getting all the nice ingredients. I got the scrub coming that I really like too, the skin polish. Yeah, I didn't know I was gonna love that, but I do. Okay, so we can get this out of here, and I'll just give you a quick little show. Ira, Ionic. There you go, can you see that? Yes, it's a steamer for the face, hydrates and softens skin. You can relax, unwind, while detoxifying your skin of impurities and dead cells with Ira, our Ionic steamer. That's perfect for all skin types. Feeling worn out from a long day? Add your favorite essential oil. Oh, I didn't know that. And treat yourself with a trip to your very own sauna. I will do that. Ooh, I didn't know that you can use essential oils here. This is great for, oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. So they had this 30-something% off. And I thought, no, I'm getting it because, yeah, I'm, doing my spa things at home. Great for all skin types, detoxifying. And they're so pretty. Like, let's just take this out. We got a little bit of time. Stay with me, stay with me. And like the Duolab is just my precious. She's just gorgeous. And she works, and she works. Oh, there's little suction cups, I guess, that go on the bottom. All right. Get it out of the bag, and I can just show you. She's a little one. Look at this. Like, there it is. Isn't it pretty? So I'll be learning how to use this also. Yes, Vanity Planet. So there we go. I was just excited to open that box and share all my goodies with you today. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're all having a good day out there so far. And hope you got some plans for the weekend. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Probably have my grandson over because he's gonna do some yard cleaning for the neighbor. And yeah, so anyways, I just wanted to show you what I got today, and I'm expecting one more box, but we will get back with especially this hair serum, and I'll let you know, and we'll do a demonstration on it because a lot of us ladies need a good hair serum, right? I know I do. Okay, thanks for joining, everybody. Take care. All right, bye.